Hey, what's up, guys? We're diving into the best camera gear and accessories of 2025, from microphones to cleaning kits. We've got everything you need to step up your game, so sit tight and make sure you check the description for links to all the gear we talk about today. Let's get into it. All right, if you want to take your audio game from meh to wow, the Saramonic Air 2-person wireless micro lavalier microphone is a game changer. This boy has crystal clear 24-bit 48 kHz audio, meaning your sound will be sharp, clean, and professional, whether you're streaming, vlogging, doing interviews, or even podcasting. It also has noise canceling to block out distractions and a 120 decibels maximum sound pressure level to handle loud environments, plus headphone out for monitoring. Whether you're using your iPhone, Android, camera, or PC, it's super versatile and works with almost everything. Want to step up your sound? Click the link in the description and grab this mic. It'll make your videos sound 10 times better. Next up, we've got the Scosche MAGRKI MagicMount replacement metal plate kit. And trust me, if you're shooting content on the go, this is a must-have. It's the perfect companion for the MagicMount cell phone holder in your car, so you can securely attach your phone while you drive or record. These metal plates work with just about any phone or case, making it super easy to mount your phone and have it stay in place. Whether you're filming a road trip or just need a solid holder for navigation, this kit has you covered. Ready for hassle-free car phone mounting? Check the link in the description and grab these metal plates for your MagicMount. For those of you who love shooting videos or photos and want that pro-level look, the Freewell K2 Versatile Magnetic Filter System Plus N D1000 filter kit is a total lifesaver. The magnetic filter system makes it super easy to swap out filters on the fly, giving you more flexibility when you're out shooting. The ND1000 filter is perfect for those bright sunny days when you want to create that gorgeous dreamy motion blur in your shots without overexposing your footage. It's seriously one of the most convenient and powerful filter systems out there. Want to make your photos and videos pop? Click the link in the description and grab the Freewell K2 filter system now. Let's talk about keeping your gear fresh. The Altura Photo Professional Camera Cleaning Kit has everything you need to keep your DSLR or mirrorless camera spotless and ready for action. We're talking lens and sensor cleaners, swabs, brushes, tissue paper, and even a blower to get rid of all that dust and grime. This kit is perfect for photographers or videographers who are always on the move and need to maintain their gear. No one wants a speck of dust messing up that perfect shot, right? Ready to keep your camera clean and performing at its best? Click the link in the description to grab this cleaning kit. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about storage. The Cwatcun and Camera Backpack Bag Professional is designed to keep your camera gear safe, organized, and ready for your next shoot. It's waterproof, which is great for when you're out shooting in unpredictable weather. Plus, it's got enough room to fit your DSLR or mirrorless camera, multiple lenses, a tripod, and all your other essential accessories. No more shoving your gear into random bags. This backpack keeps everything organized so you can grab what you need when you need it. Need a backpack that fits all your gear and protects it? Check out the link in the description and grab the Cwatcun camera backpack. And there you have it, folks. The best camera gear and accessories of 2025 to help you shoot, film, and capture like a pro. If you want to check out any of the products, don't forget to hit up the links in the description. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe for more gear reviews and recommendations. Catch you in the next one.